In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Slack workspace in just 5 minutes. If you're ready to get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Slack's official website. Have your login credentials handy. Once there, simply head over to the sign in page. If you're already logged in, this step should be a breeze. For those of you who use Google to manage your Slack accounts, opt for the Sign in with Google button. It's a quick and convenient way to bypass manually entering your Slack credentials. Once you're signed in, your Slack dashboard will appear. This is the hub of your Slack operations, where all your channels, messages, and workspaces are neatly organized. Next, direct your attention to your profile, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu brimming with options. You'll want to look for a section labeled Tools and Settings. This section grants you access to various administrative and customization setups for your account and workspaces. Now, within the Tools and Settings, you should see an option to go to Workspace Settings. Clicking this will open up a new page that provides detailed information about your workspace's configuration, including user management and general settings. It's important to note that deleting a workspace is a significant action. It will permanently remove all channels, messages, and member access associated with the workspace. So be certain that this is what you want to do. If you're sure, look for the Delete Workspace option, usually located towards the bottom of the list of settings under the Admin Settings. When you click this, you'll likely be prompted with one final confirmation. This is because Slack wants to ensure that users understand the permanence of this action and the potential loss of data. Be sure to review all your reasons for deletion, perhaps considering backing up any critical data or messages you might need before taking this irreversible step. Upon confirming the deletion, your workspace will begin the process of shutting down and removing all data associated with it. This can sometimes take a few moments, so patience is key here. And that's it. Once the process is complete, your workspace will effectively be deleted from Slack's servers. I recommend taking a few moments to reflect or reorganize your remaining digital workspaces to ensure everything is running smoothly. With those few steps, your workspace will be successfully removed, freeing you up to focus on your other important tasks or projects with more clarity. Thanks for joining in, and as always, feel free to drop questions or comments about other tutorials you'd like to see.